Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here with another Lenormand deck. Now, I'm really quite enchanted with this one. I've taken a very, very, very quick peek through, but it's Azra Manzoor, Azra's Golden Lenormand cards, and here we have Lenormand reader Azra gives you a modern approach to the traditional Lenormand oracle cards here. She explains how you can easily get started with card reading. That's good because it can get quite complicated sometimes, even though it's very direct. Trust your own intuition and successfully perform readings for yourself or others. She describes classic as well as new spreads and interprets each of the 36 cards. She mentions keywords, which I love, as you know, time periods and energy qualities, as well as practical tips, affirmations, and she promises quite a lot here, doesn't she? Right, so let's have a little look at the book. It's a clip, very gorgeous. We've got the gold. Can you see that? The gilding. So you're in for a treat here. Let's pop that to one side. This is the book. Each of the cards. And as promised, she will go through all of it. Why that you are holding this book in your hands. Love of cards and my path. So she goes through the whole thing here. You can do it already. Some people get very confused by, because especially if you're a tarot reader, I can tell you it's quite tricky until you realise that you have to almost like retrain yourself. So Madame Lenormand goes through the history of her, the deck and the cards, additional cards. Okay, card interpretations, and you go straight into them. Okay, so that's each of the cards. At the back, what's she got at the back? Yeah, so now we've got the readings. So we go through all about the deck, then the readings and spreads at the back, and that's where you will get your knowledge on, a bit more knowledge on the Lenormand itself. So that's the book. Let me show you these gorgeous cards. So size-wise, they are not as large as some Lenormand, but some of them are quite diddy. They're sort of like half this size. And my Dreaming Way Lenormand that I use a lot is still quite large, but not as large as these. So I'd say almost the size of a tarot card, which is, yeah, same, very, very similar. Nice and easy to move. Just gorgeous. They glide. Very nice. Right, let's show you them. Okay, and you can, I hope you can see how gorgeous and I mean, all that glitters is gold in this. You know, when they say all that is glitters is not gold. So this is where we've got the modern interpretation, you know, of the house. I'm assuming that, I'm not going to go through the meanings because I'm assuming that you know the Lenormand if you've stopped to have a look at this. I really like this deck. I'm going to start using it. So it's not on my store yet. I will put it on very, very soon. We've got two birds. The powerful bear. Oh, park instead of garden. This is sometimes called the ways. It's you need to make a decision. And the mice, the stress of the mice. Book. Oh, you got gent. So it's called a gent and a lady, because it was gentleman and lady in the originals. Lilies. Okay. Fishes. The anchor and the cross. So that was a very quick trip through this deck, because there's not really, I mean, it's good. I really like it. I'll just pull you to, let's go for this guy. The park. What's the social gathering? Fun social gathering. Hopefully that's this video. Okay, so and a new social gathering. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you've enjoyed that. Let me know if you are using the Lenormand, what you think of them. It's Azra Manzoor's golden Lenormand cards. Okay, thanks very much for your time. Bye bye.